Okay, so hello everyone, I have the second Dewalt driver with a bad check, and we'll see if it will be the same like with the first one or not. And you can see that the jaws is not moving again, so I will hammer them. Maybe they will start to move. You can see that they are moving up, but not moving the backward, down. Okay, nothing have changed, so I will go with the ring removal again. Okay, now this one will solve that. Okay, I have not cut it all the way through. Okay, now I have cut it all the way through. Okay, this one is hot now, probably. What can you see here? The jaws is starting to move. We have the screw here, torques the body. It's tightened very well. Give me my screw back. Okay, got the screw. Now we need to unscrew the check, and this time it goes flawlessly. Nice, love it. As it goes so easy, what we can do, we can take the new check and you can mount it. Sorry, not forgetting the counterclockwise screw. Okay, looks nice. So it's not very easy job to replace the check, but this time we got lucky. We got I can say easily. And thank you for watching. If you have questions or I don't know, comments, just feel free to write it down, and waiting you in my next videos. Bye.